10 Reasons why you should use Instant Pot. Time Saver. Instant Pot reduces cooking time by up to 70%, allowing you to prepare meals quickly and efficiently. Versatility. From pressure cooking to sautéing, steaming, and more, it performs multiple functions in a single appliance. Energy efficient. Instant Pot uses less energy compared to conventional cooking methods, saving both time and money. One Pot Wonder. It simplifies meal prep by allowing you to cook entire meals in one pot, minimizing cleanup. Preserves nutrients. The sealed cooking environment retains more vitamins and minerals, ensuring healthier meals. Convenience. It offers programmable settings and delayed start options, giving you flexibility in meal planning. Tenderizes tough cuts. Instant Pot's pressure cooking feature makes even the toughest cuts of meat tender and flavorful. Foolproof cooking with built-in safety features and precise temperature control. It takes the guesswork out of cooking.